And today we are now back here at Pingyang Hotpot and Dimsum House located in Manila City. Okay guys, so they just served us the condiments. So right over here is the sati. Right over here we have their garlic leeks. Over there we have chili. Here we have their garlic. And right over here is their soy sauce. Okay guys, so our food is arrived. So right over here is their spinach. Over here is their suahe, which is freshwater shrimp. Over there is the fried dumplings. Here is their fat beef. And right in the soup is their squid balls. Finally, right over here is their large shrimp fried rice. Okay guys, let's now try their food. So right over here is their fried dumplings. Wow. The wrapper is extremely crispy. But we also have the shrimp fried rice. For shrimp fried rice, they've either got a small, medium, or large. We got the large size today. Their fried dumplings has some pork and shrimp in it. Overall, the wrapper is really crispy and the meat inside is really flavorful. You gotta try the fried dumplings when you come here. Let's try the squid ball. Squid balls are really delicious. Right over here is the dip that I made. There's some soy sauce, some sati, some garlic leeks, some garlic, and some chili. That makes the squid ball a lot better. Here's the fat beef. Fat beef is so soft and it melts in your mouth when you dip it into the dip. The dip is packed in flavor and really delicious. Okay guys, so let's now try their suahe, which is freshwater shrimp. Suahe is really delicious. And it's really delicious, especially if you dip it. This dip makes everything a whole lot better. Overall, the good thing about this suahe here is before this dip is that suahe here is live, which makes it really fresh.